ink and brush letters, the written and unwritten letters of life. These come in many different shapes, forms, and sizes.
As a watercolor and calligraphy nomadic artist, I'm here to share stories, not only mine as I travel and work around the world with either 35-liter backpack or in a caravan, but the ink and brush letters will also share your and other nomadic lifestyle stories. We all have a story to tell, we all have a story to share, and this is a space to find other inspirational humans living a nomadic lifestyle. Let's break the cliche that all nomads live on the beach, drink green smoothies, and do yoga every day. Let's celebrate life, say yes to the things that we want to do, and let's create a life with courage and passion and no regrets.